Okay, well here we go. Here's some tomatoes that I have resting in my Kangen water. It's the strong acidic water, that one there. And so this is fantastic for cleaning your fruit and veg. Now these are tomatoes that I've just purchased from the fruit and veggie shop. And I always give them a good clean when I get home because of the amount of pesticides on them. So what I'm going to show you is, I didn't wash them under the tap because there's no point. It doesn't take off the pesticides. You'll try that yourself and your water will run clear. So we'll do it this way instead. So we'll take the tomatoes out of here, and you can already see what colour the water is. It's nasty, and that's the pesticides that have come off the tomatoes. So we'll just pop the water in here so you can actually see the colour. So that's quite a nasty colour really, and it can go worse. The longer you leave, it'll probably take a bit more off it. So this is pesticides and all the things that they put on the tomatoes to keep them the shelf life longer, and also so that they stay pest free. That's why called pesticides, I guess. So now we have nice clean tomatoes and not such good water. Not very nice. It's very yellow. So and oily too. So and they need to put the oil on so that the actual pesticides stay on the tomatoes when it rains. So now I'm aware of what's on the tomatoes and how it actually looks. That's what won me over to this machine. I just could not buy the machine for just this purpose only. There are many other purposes, but just to clean my fruit and veg. In this pot I also have got some apples, and I've also got a green thingy. Love these, courgette. So and they're all just soaking in there as well. So I hope this helps you, so at least you can see what's on your food. Do you really want to consume pesticides?